Cash App is the only company out there attempting to make personal finance cool. They just dropped the new mini card keychain, which last time we talked about the wand, which sold out. But they're calling these tags. And basically they're like a keychain or little thing that you can hold that also acts as a credit card or payment device. So new, first edition. I think these are cool. I haven't bought either of the ones that they've released so far, but I'm gonna keep my eye on these and see what they continue to release. I think they could also do some collaborations with these, which would be really cool as well. Here's a look at the keychain that they send you. It looks like a pretty premium keychain, so that's cool. When they teased this, they showed like this penny thing, which I thought was cooler. I don't know who the dude on the penny is, but then they ended up dropping this one. Anyways, there it is, the new Cash App card. You can come to your card screen and just scroll down and tap order card or tag, and it's going to take you to all these options. Check out the channel for tons of other tutorials on Cash App. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.